This half-size Eastar EVA-2 violin set is thoughtfully designed for young or smaller beginners, offering a comfortable scale and easy reach for developing hands. The imprinted fingerboard guide gives new players clear visual cues, which really helps with accurate finger placement and faster progress in the early stages. Its body uses a spruce top with maple back and sides and an antique-style finish, giving it a warm, student-friendly tone and a look that feels more refined than a typical starter instrument. The included bow, rosin, shoulder rest, extra strings, and spare bridge make the outfit genuinely complete, so a beginner can start practicing immediately without hunting for extra accessories. Tuning is straightforward thanks to the combination of smooth pegs and built-in fine tuners, which helps students and parents keep the instrument stable without constant trips to a shop. Overall build quality, from the hand-finished edges to the comfortable chin rest and neck profile, makes this a reliable first violin that encourages regular practice rather than feeling like a toy.